Tomorrow, the Army is expected to release the results of an investigation into the murder and disappearance of Houston soldier Vanessa Guillen. There will be 3 different news conferences tomorrow. Top Army leaders will release their findings at the Pentagon. Then Fort Hood officials will talk about recommendations for changes on the Army post. Then Guillen's family will give their reaction to the investigation in Houston. Guillen, who was 20, was murdered in April, but her buried remains were not found until the end of June. Aaron Robinson, the soldier accused of killing her, took his own life as police tried to arrest him. His girlfriend, who's accused of helping him hide Guillen's remains, faces trial next month.